Hi guys, today I'm doing an example how to make a Nyan cat fidget spinner. And this is actually a game. Guys, I'm giving you again. So this is a Nyan cat fidget. So I'll make another one and show you how to make it. First, you make a square around this thing and then scribble it all up. And I'll tell you what the game is called. Wait. It's called Spinner. You could download it. Then you put pink around this part. The middle part. You put whatever shape you want of red stuff on it. And then you add a face. And then fill it in. Since there's no black, you could use a different color. I'm using red. And I can't do it like this because it will be weird. Then draw the feet. Oh, not 3 feet, 2 feet. Now you draw the rainbow. Now you draw the yellow part because there's no orange. Wait, what if I can mix the colors? Can I mix the colors? Yellow and red. Nope, I can't mix the colors. To do the rainbow. And then you do the blue. And then the last step, do the purple. But purple is not in the rainbow. Now, you can play with it. And spin it. I think it's less better than the other one I made. I was gonna say it's less better than the other one I made. Look, it's better. Cause look, it looks more like Nyan cat. Boom. The rainbow is spinning. Bye.